Hi and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to first get Gemini API key and how to use it, but not that much. I will just tell you how. And this will be with the help of Gemini itself. So as you can see here, I asked him how to use a Gemini in my own projects and get the API key. So the steps are, first of all, we need to open aistudio.google.com, which is this. Then you will confirm this and continue. Sorry, it's in French. Unfortunately, I didn't change the language to English, but it's okay. I will just show you. It's the same buttons. All right. Then we need to create our API key. So once you're in the dashboard, it says look at the left-hand side bar and click Get API key. Okay, we can just do this, by the way. Oops. And you will find it here. Control F and search, then get API. Okay, we're here anyway. And then we will go to create an API key, or here in French, créer une clé API. And then you can name it, like for example, for me, I don't know, project 1 API key, whatever. And you can create a project or whatever, but let's see, by the way, here. So then you will create a project. So you need to create a new project. So here we will create a project. Let's name it, let's say Gemini project 1, or let's say project 1, then create, and then create your key. And something that you should know, that keep it secret. I'm sure that they wrote it here. Yeah, they just wrote it here. Keep this secret, because if someone else get your key, they can use your coda. So when you use Gemini or any like ChatGPT or whatever, like any AI tool, there are some credits or points or quota. So if you get the limit, you cannot use it anymore. So that's why it's better to keep it secret and just use it yourself. So I will not show you, of course, but this is your key. Just come here and copy it. As you can see, your key is created. You can also delete the key, but you can copy it from here too, or from here, and then you can use it. Okay, how to integrate it in Python? You can again write a comment or a prompt to Gemini, and it will show you everything. So you will just copy this and um, paste your API key here, and that's it. And some important things you need to know, that of course the free tier is not that good, and I think like there's no available like quota or limits or whatever, but the pro is better. But you can't use it for free whatever you want, and that's why I need to tell you this. And you can use Vertex AI. Never used it, by the way, for large scale enterprise or applications or whatever. It's better than the normal Gemini API key. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it helped you. And yeah, that's it.